Welcome, my name is a HUAWEI P40 Pro Plus, and today I'll show you how to record a screen on the phone. So to get started, let's pull down the notification panel and find the screen recording toggle, which looks like it is right here. Now the position of it may vary a little bit, so keep that in mind. And before you actually tap on it to start recording, you do want to, I believe, hold it. And here it actually does nothing, so stop on it, allow. Okay, and see if it gives us, well, it looks like it gives us no options. So that's a little bit of a shame. In certain cases we do have some options, but it looks like not in this one. But whatever you will do right now, it will be recorded. As you can see, there's also a little dot following my finger. That is to also show on the recording where I was touching the display. Once you're done, you can simply tap right over here. And you also can see that you have a microphone icon. So right now it's recording sound, and now I have turned it off, so it won't be recording me anymore, at least the voice. And also simply tap on the red square right there, and it will now stop recording and save it. I'm going to quickly mute this, go to the gallery, and you should see it right over here. So tap on OK. Let's go to allow again, and you can see that it is now recording, or well, playing the recording. Now also, as you can see, there is a little bit of a black bar on top and just on the sides. That's because it's not taking the full screen. It was recording it in full, but here it shrinks it for some reason, not exactly sure why. So that's the reason. But that is how you would record your screen. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.